Alright, so our American Beauty, he has aborted one of her buds and growing two instead in this branch, so that's okay. This one is almost blooming soon, so these two here is also big enough, so hopefully magtuloy-tuloy yan. And we have two more here, actually three. So in one plant in this area here sa aming American Beauty, we got 5 remaining buds. So 1, 2, 3, and this is the first bud here, so malaki na siya. And these two, so yeah, this one is aborted.